We've all been there. Meet Miko, the charger that's always with you. It's tiny, but don't let the size fool you. That's 30 watts. This little thing? Also 30 watts. Smaller than a credit card and available in 3 colors. Engineered to be on your keys. Not left in a drawer. No fumbling, no forgetting. It's just there. Power that goes wherever you go. Because the best charger is the one you actually have on you. No gimmicks, no features you don't need. Just 30 watts of fast charging power. 13 innovations, with every single one delivered. And Miko is next. Out the door, on the road, in the room, always charged. Miko, the charger that's there when you need it.